Hi guys, so today we have a 2011 Honda Civic 8th Gen, which was involved in a front end collision which deployed both driver and passenger front airbags plus the seat belts for both. So I went ahead and replaced the driver airbag, passenger airbag, passenger seatbelt retractor, so now it's not locked anymore. They were locked, and the driver seatbelt retractor, and I was still getting codes. So those codes were 28-10 open in the front passenger seatbelt buckle, 27-10 open in the driver seatbelt buckle tensioner. And as you can see, I still have the airbag light on. I forget to mention that I took out the SRS module and took it to a shop where they did clear crash data and was still showing those codes. So here is the fix. I've got those seatbelt SRS testers, which I'll be connecting below the seats. So that's one, and here is the other one. Okay, so that's clicked in. Let's start the car now. Okay, both lights went off. Okay, so if you see here, this is the buckle. So it was deployed, and now it's reading open circuit. So that's why I have the tester there. And here, if you see, it's this buckle neck shrunk. Same for the driver's side, shrunk. And I'll show you how the good ones look like. So this is how the driver's side neck looks like. So it's really expanded now, which is the normal case. That one shrunk to almost half, and the passenger almost shrunk to half as well. So those definitely have to be replaced. So this is the SRX connector, and that's just for the seatbelt light. Okay, so yeah, that's how you fix it. Any questions or comment, let me know. Thanks.